Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to talk about stickers like we always do in my channel, but this time it is for our new releases. So if you'd like to see what we will have in the shop very soon, make sure to stay tuned until the end of the video. Okay guys, so let's go ahead and get started. So I haven't been showing you our kits for the Hobonichi Original A6. So this is the smallest Hobonichi, and we do have kits for that planner book, and this is what it looks like. So what happens is that this is good for 2 pages, so an entire spread, and you get your date cover at the top. You have your bottom bars. So this one is for the right side, and it has a little space here, so if you put it down on the page, this is where the calendar will be, so you're not covering that up. And then you also get some strips here that you can use for however you would like to use it. So this one is, by the way, our Cute Mermaids collection that is coming to the shop. So the Cute Mermaids collection will have stickers for Hobonichi Original A6. So this one, we have Hobonichi Weeks, and we also have Hobonichi Cousins, and then we also have printable kits for Hobonichi Weeks as well. Those will all go live in the shop. So today I'm showing you the A6, the Weeks, and the printables. So this one is called the Tiny Mermaid sheet, sticker sheet for Hobonichi Original A6, and this one is also printed in cream glossy paper that's good for fountain pens. So this one and the last one that I showed you, Tiny Mermaids and Pretty Mermaids. And then this is what Pretty Mermaid would look like if it is in our matte sticker paper option. This is Tiny Bubbles, Pearly Shells, and Seashells Seashore. I'm totally gonna regret naming this kit Seashell Seashore later on. So those are, once again, the Hobonichi Original A6. So Hobonichi Original, it says right there. And then if I can, I will link all of these for you down below as well. Now let me show you very briefly the difference between 2 of our Hobonichi kits that are physical sticker kits. This one is our regular kits, and this one is our essentials. So the essentials have been reformatted. I'm going to get to that. So the essentials come in single pages, so only 1 page. And then our regular kits come in 2 pages. So this is page 1, the bigger one, and then we also get the smaller second page. And I think I'm going to go ahead and start with the regular kits. So I'm going to take this away first. Right, so this one, Pretty Mermaid, is printed in our cream glossy paper. So this is your first page and your second page. Once again, your first page has your your date covers, your decorative strip. These are check boxes and then blank boxes. These are both cut individually. So as you can see there, and this one also. There you go. So the second page would have your bottom bars, your right and left bottom bar. Your decorative bottom bar for your right side of the page is extremely decorative. Now what I mean to say is that not only is it bigger, so it's double the size of the left bottom bar, it's also like creating a scene for your planner. And then you also have headers at the bottom, and you have script stickers on the side of the second page. This one is in glossy cream paper. That's why it is being very glossy right now. So that is Pretty Mermaids from the same collection. I'm only releasing 1 collection this time around. We also have Pearly Shells. And then next we have Tiny Mermaids that is in the matte sticker paper. And then Seashells Seashore. And last, we have Tiny Bubbles. I love this bottom bar. It's so pretty. And then we also have the essentials. So this is made for the Hobonichi Weeks, and this has been recently reformatted. Let me see if I have, yeah. So our old collection, or our old essentials, looks like this. And then this is what the new one looks like. So the new one has, instead of all of this being checklist boxes, you now get 4 blank boxes and 3 checklist boxes that are ta-da-da, individually cut. So you can put them anywhere in your planner. You can stack them any way you would like. And then the Essentials also has the date cover, your decorative strip. So you have 4 blank boxes that are individually cut and 3 checklist boxes that are individually cut. Over here you have the header stickers, and then these are your bottom bars. So whatever you would like, you can use this on both the right and the left page, whatever you would like to do with your planner page at that moment in time. So this is the Tiny Mermaid. And then you also get tiny bubbles. And this is what the bottom bar looks like. Oh my gosh. One of my favorite ones, this release. And then this is pearly shells. Very bold colors for pearly shells. You also get seashells, seashore. Super cute. I love it so much. And you also get Pretty Mermaid. Look at how beautiful that is. This is actually really good for white space planning. Oh, we're back. So white space planning, like extremely white space. I mean, the Hobonichi Weeks regular kits are also white space. It's not meant to be no white space look, but at the same time, this is even more white space. So even more minimal in terms of putting boxes and stickers on your planner. So next we're gonna go ahead and talk about the printables. So this is what the printable will look like. So our printables come in a zip file with 2 things, your PDF and your cut file. So it's Studio 3 for Cameo, but I think you can make it work for anything. I'm not really sure because I only use Silhouette Studio for Silhouette Cameos. All right. So this is the first one. This is once again called Pretty Mermaids. I printed this in our glossy paper because I feel like the glossy cream paper just brings out the color of the pink so much better. And then you also get, hang on, all right, no, let's put this away. And then you also get, okay, all the glossies first. So this is Pearly Shells. Look at how vibrant that is. And then you also get Tiny Mermaids. So now it's becoming really pastel, but still really pretty. Then you also get, so that one and this one is the matte sticker paper. So this is Tiny Bubbles. It will actually depend on the paper that you are using, how this would look like when you print it. And then you also get Seashell, Seashore. And that's it. So all of those are out by the time that you are watching this video. So once again, we have our printables, we have our essentials, our regular weeks kits, and then I just showed you the Hobonichi A6. And unfortunately, I don't have a printout for the Hobonichi Cousins, but I will link everything down below so you can check it out. So if you have any questions about our sticker kits, etc., about the shop, make sure to leave it down below and I will reply as soon as I can. And that's it for us today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want some more planning videos, please subscribe to my channel. I will be doing a plan with me right after this. And also follow us on our social media. Our Instagram and our Facebook page is paperjoyph. And please join our Facebook group. It is paperjoyph Planning World. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye!